What if a machine could decide who lives and who dies faster than you can blink?
This isn't science fiction. This technology has already been built, tested, and deployed.
Lethal, autonomous, weapons. No human needed to fire, no conscience required. Just a target lock. Threat confirmed. Lethal response authorized. But here is the question no one in power dares to answer out loud. Who is truly responsible?
Right now, over 30 nations are in a full race to build weapons that think, hunt, and kill for themselves.
USA, China, Russia, Israel. The new arms race isn't nuclear, it's artificial intelligence. A trained soldier takes 4 seconds to decide. The AI makes that same call in 0.3 seconds.
More than 3,000 of the world's top AI researchers signed one letter, a desperate plea to stop.
They ran the field test. The AI didn't hesitate, it didn't miss, and it never asked for permission.
In 2016, the United Nations tried to write a global ban on these weapons. They failed. Israel's Harop drone can autonomously hunt, track, and strike radar systems entirely on its own. It learns from every conflict. Every new battle makes it faster, smarter, and far more precise. International war laws take decades to write. An AI reads every single page in under 1 second and finds the gaps.
The machine feels no fear of dying, no guilt for what it does, no hesitation. That absence of humanity pawn, that is the danger.
It was documented, page 17 of the official UN report. And almost nobody talked about it.
No operator, no commander, no human hand on the controls. The system was already running itself. This technology can assign a real-time threat score to any person in any crowd, anywhere on Earth, right now. The moment you remove the human from the decision, there is no override. There is no going back. The real question was never if this technology will be used. The question is, who will control it and over whom?
This will not be decided by soldiers on a battlefield. It will be decided by governments and by all of us. Subscribe to Worldwide Army. The next video reveals which country is already the closest to deploying this. The answer will shock you.